Hey, gamers! Are you looking for the perfect carry case for your PlayStation Portal? Look no further. Introducing the carry case designed for PlayStation Portal Remote Player for PS5 Console. It's the ultimate travel and storage protection for your console, accessories, and more. And it comes in a sleek white-black design that's not only stylish but also easy to clean. Our case is tailored for perfection, ensuring a snug fit for your PlayStation Portal. The microfiber screen cover and plush microfiber lining provide complete protection so you can game on the go with peace of mind. Plus, our case is feather light and water resistant, offering premium protection without weighing you down. With ample storage space and a comfortable rubberized handle, this case is perfect for carrying or placing in your luggage. You can bring all your essential accessories with you and enjoy epic gaming sessions wherever you go. And with our 1-year replacement warranty, you can buy with confidence. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the carry case designed for PlayStation Portal Remote Player for PS5 Console today and take your gaming to the next level. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Order now.